Are you feeling low on energy or struggling to stay active throughout the day? Stamina isn't just about workouts, it's about endurance, strength, and overall performance. The good news is, you don't need supplements or expensive equipment. Today, I'll show you 4 powerful exercises that can help boost men's stamina naturally, improve circulation, and increase full body strength. These exercises are simple, effective, and can be done at home. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the best full-body exercises. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core while improving cardiovascular endurance. Start with 10 to 15 reps and gradually increase. Focus on controlled breathing to build stamina faster. Exercise 2. Squats. Squats target your legs and glutes, the largest muscle groups in the body. Strong legs mean better endurance and energy levels. Perform 15 to 20 squats per set, keeping your back straight and core tight. Squats also help boost blood flow and overall athletic performance. Exercise 3. Plank hold. Planks are excellent for core strength and mental endurance. A strong core supports better posture and stability during physical activity. Hold a plank for 30 seconds to 1 minute. As your stamina improves, increase the time. Exercise 4. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks raise your heart rate and improve cardiovascular stamina. They help burn fat, increase lung capacity, and boost energy. Do 30 to 60 seconds per set for best results. Consistency is the key to building stamina naturally. Perform these exercises at least 4 to 5 times a week, stay hydrated, and get enough sleep. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more natural fitness tips. Stay strong, stay active, and keep pushing forward.